Now it's time to talk about the death of 410A. Take a look at this screenshot. At the end of this year, 2024, manufacturers will no longer be able to produce 410A equipment. This means 410A is going to go up. It's going to cost you more. So if you're sitting on an old system, expect to have higher prices. And if you have a major issue like compressor or coil failures, it's going to be time to upgrade your system to the new R32 systems. You can see by this chart right here that refrigerants production will drop off significantly from 90% down to about 60% over some time between 2025 and 2029, and then it'll drop down to 30% from 2029 to 2034. And then from that point, it'll dwindle off until this refrigerant's gone. 410A is not environmentally friendly, and it's part of the global warming initiative to get rid of it, so this is what's happening whether we like it or not. Now that you've had an opportunity to see the timeline for the removal of 410A refrigerant, you can make a clear choice on what's best for you moving forward.